Wow, oh my goodness. Discord's releasing a new beta feature that almost no one cares about. Just kidding, as a balding fat male, I want to make my profile as anime as possible. As you can see, wow, kawaii, sugoi. I know all the anime terms because I've watched Prison School. I'm a degenerate. Anyways, you see this beautiful profile background that has this nice, wonderful color? Well, this is actually a beta feature that is rolled out on Discord right now, and I'm going to explain how it works, just if you're curious, and also how to get it. Now, just kidding about how to get it, because I actually clickbaited you. There's no way to get this feature because Discord rolls it out randomly. If some video claims to be able to, get you this feature, or some person's gonna give you code that you put in your console that will give you this feature, they're lying. So you should send them pictures of butthole or something. And I technically am lying, but please don't send me butthole pictures. Okay, thank you. Anyways, back on topic, editing my profile, I'm gonna show you how it works. Now, down here you will see profile theme, and this is where you can pick profile colors, and I just picked these wonderful colors, but you can change it to whatever you want. You can make it just all black if you just want to be edgy or something, or if you want to piss off people that are on dark mode, you turn it to all white and it just burns their eyes out. Now, you might have noticed a couple things. First off, my user profile time just jumped up exponentially, and that's because I'm a degenerate that can't put together sentences properly. But you also might have noticed that there's avatar decorations and pronouns, and avatar decorations and pronouns are experimental features, which basically mean that Discord might just remove them for no reason, or they might actually make it into Discord. They're kind of in this quantum quasi state of being there or not being there. If I keep on going on about science fiction, you guys might assume I'm a Marvel employee or something. Anyways, these are avatar decorations. As you can tell, they just add things to your profile, right? Isn't this crazy? A revolutionary feature. You can turn into a planet, rainbow stuff. I'm just going through these because I know one of you will probably be quite interested in these. But once again, these may or may not make it into Discord, so don't get your hopes up. You might not be able to turn into a computer. Now, to wrap this video up, basically there's profile themes. You can change the color of your profile, so it's either anime or like super dark, depressing hacker man. I don't know, whatever kids like these days. Just keep in mind that A, it's a Nitro feature, B, it's in beta, so that doesn't mean everyone has it, and if someone offers you to get it for you, they're probably trying to hack your account or do something malicious. PayPal me $5,000 and maybe it'll happen. That was a joke, by the way, because I'm gonna get sued if that happens, and I can't afford any legal fees at the moment. And C, I don't have anything for C. So yeah, that's the video. Have fun customizing your profile if you can, or have fun looking at other people's profiles if you can't. I love you. Goodbye. Mwah.